Hey everyone, please be sure to check out the instructions that are linked in the video description as well. So by this point I have already prepared my cauliflower. Using your prepared cauliflower, you will keep it in one bowl. Then you will take a separate bowl and crack an egg, and then you will mix that thoroughly. You will then want to add a cup of Parmesan cheese. I used shredded hard Parmesan cheese here, but you can use the powder stuff, whatever is fine. I've also added a couple shakes of garlic powder into the mix. And I will do the same with Italian seasoning as well. You'll then add the mix of egg mixture to the cauliflower and stir everything together. At this point, I have taken some parchment paper and put it on top of a cookie sheet. From there, you will take your mixture and create your pizza form. I decided to make 2 small pizzas with my cauliflower mixture. You want to make sure that the form is solid and there's no holes or gaps within the mixture when you're creating the form. You want to bake it at 425 for 20 minutes. Once your crust has been created, you can then start assembling it, and I started with pizza sauce. Actually, this is spaghetti sauce, but either will work. I decided to add some slices of mozzarella cheese. Now, time to add some fresh basil to the pizza. As a finishing touch, I like to add an extra bit of Italian seasoning before it goes into the oven. For this pizza crust, I decided to make it just a mozzarella cheese pizza using fresh mozzarella slices along with some shredded mozzarella. Once both the pizzas were assembled and ready to go, I threw them in the oven at 425 for another 15 minutes. Here is my cheese pizza, and here is my cheese and basil pizza. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.